All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. This is a video review for my Rayban Meta Gen 2s. Yeah, I picked these up. Now, this video is best watched in portrait style video, just the way the video comes across. So if you have a TV or something like that, it's probably not going to look too great. So make sure you're watching on a tablet or a smartphone. That is the best way to do it. So I still have my Oakleys. I'm probably going to put them for sale. I was basically deciding between these and the Oakleys, which one I wanted to actually put my prescription on. And so I chose to put my prescription on these. It just came down to the way they feel on my face and head and everything. So this is the casing right here, and I'm probably going to sell the Oakleys because I'm past my return period. This is the case. This case also looks better than the Oakleys, but the Oakleys case is a little bit more rugged. So just keep that in mind. Yeah, this is what it looks like. And then when you pop them open, the case here, this is what it looks like on the inside right here. Those are the glasses. And I like these frames because it's a matte frame. And the Oakleys are kind of glossy and a partial matte. So let me put these on now. And this just looks a little bit more premium as well. But let me put these on and we'll talk more, and I'll show you content or footage from the glasses. All right, here are the glasses on me. You can see the glasses like this. I like the touch sensitivity on the sides. I've got my music and everything synced up. Now, after recording this video, I've had these glasses for about 3 days. So bear that in mind. I already ordered my prescription. It should be here probably in the next couple of days. I was really hoping that it would be here sooner than that. But this is what they look like on my face. You know, my other glasses are a thinner, more metal type frame. But I decided to go ahead and pick these up because I wanted something that was a little bit more sturdy. And also I can use them, get some functionality of them, you know what I'm saying? So now let me show you some content from these glasses, the actual footage. Now, pardon the wind, it's really windy out here, so I don't know how this is going to come across on video. But again, here are the glasses. This is the quality. So these glasses have 32 gigs of storage. Now, instead of 5 hours, there's 8 hours of usage, and they charge really fast, 50% in 20 minutes, I believe it said. You've got all the same functionality and features of the Gen 1s. So internally, these were upgraded with better battery and speedier software and things like that. But this is the quality. So I'm just gonna walk around. Obviously, here's the vet. I was gonna bring the charger, but I was like, I don't feel like driving that car, ready to get rid of it. But here's the vet, and this is just, oh, look at these beautiful trees. Getting ready for fall, so you can see this tree here is beautiful, and this one is really coming to life. But I'm walking around and you can see the quality. I just can't wait to get my prescription on these, so I can not have to worry about removing them in a time where I want to shoot some quick video. So the controls are the same as the Oakleys, with the buttons on the top and the touch controls on the side. You want to take a photo, you just press the button on the top right once. And you want to take a video, you can hold the button, and then to stop the video, it is a one press. So looking towards the sun, you can see how these glasses would handle it. Now, I didn't clean the sensors or anything like that because they're just sitting in the case, like after you wipe the lens off on the camera. So hopefully that's not affecting anything. But yeah, man, you get 3-minute video recording. You can do 1080p at 60 frames per second or 3K at 30 frames per second. And the quality is really good. I appreciate it. So I wish there was a way to get a 10-minute loop on the glasses, but I know that, you gotta have some limitations. This is a thin frame, and you gotta have something. This isn't a big 3,000 milliamp hour battery in these. So just walking around, taking a look at the trees and everything. Wow. Again, it's really windy and everything, so just bear that in mind. And the glasses will automatically stop at 3 minutes, and then you'll have to start them again. And you also use the voice commands as well. You don't have to physically use the buttons on the glasses. You can tell the glasses to do anything. It'll read out your text messages. It'll do anything. It'll read out your phone calls. All settings for that. Everything is AI based if you choose to. So you choose to use it. This thing is beautiful, ain't it? Oh gosh. Oh boy. So I've been using these glasses again for about 3 days. I wanted to record a little bit longer with them on just to show you, you know, this is what they look like. There you go. All right, so we can close out here. These are again, you saw like several minutes of footage and quality, and these are really nice. So once I get my prescription put on them, I will be full throttle with these. So you'll see me wearing these in videos. Really like the Oakleys, but these just feel like fit and finish and wear is actually a lot better. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you enjoyed the orientation. I only did it like that because that's the orientation that these glasses record in. But anyway, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.